Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Scratch project and selecting the stage in the lower right. This directs you to backdrops. Once there, click Choose a Backdrop and pick Library, Paint, or Upload depending on whether you want a pre-made scene, to draw, or to import an image. Make sure to name the backdrop so you can find it later. This helps when you have multiple scenes. While choosing, note the stage size and orientation so your backdrop fits the game area and avoids unexpected cropping. Now edit or import the backdrop content. Open the Paint editor to use vector or bitmap tools, brush, fill, text, and shapes so you can tweak colors and edges. If you import a photo, convert it appropriately and resize or crop it to fit the stage. Vector is better for clean scaling. Duplicate a backdrop to create variations or add several backdrops for level progression and parallax. Make careful edits, because clean edges and consistent horizons prevent visual glitch. Finish by wiring your backdrop to scripts. Use events and looks blocks like switch backdrop to or next backdrop or broadcast messages to control scene changes. Test with the green flag and step through transitions to ensure timing and continuity. Make adjustments where transitions feel abrupt. Save the project once everything works. If a backdrop appears hidden, make sure sprites aren't covering it. Send sprites to the front or set their transparency. If colors shift, confirm you edited the correct backdrop and not a duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.